got this problem where no cruise control works. Now I can see the light on the dash flash real quick. The light turns green for cruise, but it won't stay on, like it's getting reset. So we're gonna fix that here, and it's been like that since I bought this truck 6-7 years ago now. This is actually my boy's truck now. My oldest son is driving this truck. I have it for the day, so I'm going to fix this problem on here. It could probably be, from what I've read, everything. It could be two different things. It could be a fuse. Well, I guess it could be a few different things, but a fuse is the main part, and this relay, the sensor that I'm going to change out. And I've kind of narrowed down to the sensor, and we're going to try that and see if that's it. And I'm pretty sure that's what it is, because they were common in these 2000s F150s, expeditions, stuff like that going bad. So we're going to change that out real quick. Hang tight. Alright, that cruise control relay is right here. They call it a brake sensor. And it plugs in right here. I haven't been able to find, I looked, I ordered, and it's been wrong. This right plug, what it used to come with, now they're coming out with this different plug. So it's a little bit different shape, but it's coming with the harness now. So instead of just changing that out, plugging it in, you have to change the sensor out and add this harness. I haven't been able to find much information about it, but I know I ordered just a sensor and it was wrong. You know, just was that plug. It wouldn't plug into that plug. So I ordered this one, and I'll add a link into the description, and it was a very standard product, and we're going to see if that fixes the problem. Let me grab a wrench and change this out real quick. I've broken it loose. It's a 15 millimeter. I think if you do this fast enough, you shouldn't lose too much fluid. I'm just putting the crescent wrench on here so I'll find another right size real quick. Snug it back up. It'd probably be easier if this air box was removed. You could probably pull this air box off real quick and have more room to get to it. But I don't think it's getting much tighter than that. Plug your harness in. I'm guessing it only goes one way. And that's that, hopefully. It came with a zip tie. I want to make sure this is going to work before I put the zip tie on. So we'll check it out and we'll drive it here in a few and see what happens. Well, what I would do to get it all plugged in, I would start it up, check for leaks, have someone press on the gas or the brake pedal a couple times, pump up some fluid and see if you're leaking at all. If you're leaking, you may have to put some Teflon tape on it or something like that. Everywhere I saw it, no one said anything about putting tape on it, so I didn't put any on mine. I haven't seen any leaks yet. So that's that. Let's go for a test drive.